What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending photo boothing rental guy. Today we're just gonna go over what my white photo booth is made of. There's been questions from time to time, and I have it in a few videos, but I think that I'm just gonna make another video so that people can see it again. So, booth right back here. This is my white booth. It's currently updating because it's going out to a client right away here. So, I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okay, so this here is edging for drywall pieces that I had cut, and then I sprayed with truck liner, and then I drilled holes, all of these holes in through here and in through the white material, and I put pop rivets in. These handles from Canadian Tire, just regular fence handles. This fan was a closeout that I found at Dollarama. I bought like all of the fans that they had, so it's a pretty good quality fan. It plugs into a car lighter, so I had to get the car lighter adapter. Up here, this is just a photography light stand that I cut with a little pipe cutter, and then I mounted down there, and the light just goes on top. The decals I had got done locally. So this white stuff here is called HDPE, which is just a very versatile plastic. So it's great. Look up HDPE, and yeah, that's the booth. Comes with a little Android keyboard. We're just updating, so we'll continue the update. And inside the booth, I've got just a little standard lock here. I never use it, the clients never use it. Everything's pretty much bolted in inside. Just a DSLR camera. I've got a little power bar from Canadian Tire there, where everything's plugged in. There's the car lighter that I was talking about. It's very homemade, but no one seems to care. There's a little shelf here that I've got it so it just tilts like that. And yeah, the camera with a little mount, or sorry, a hot shoe on top. And there's a touchscreen monitor that I got from a pawn shop. They had two of them on, I bought them both, and that's where I made the twin white booths. Yeah, but this is the booth. It's just very simple. It's just a computer, a touchscreen, and a camera. And then DSLR booth is installed onto the computer, and I just built a box out of HDPE, and that's it. That is the white photo booth. So yeah. So if you're interested more in about how I built my booths, check out my DIY photo booth build series, and it shows pretty much the whole process that I went through to build one of these. Specifically, this one it shows the process for. So that's another white one made out of HDPE. It's just like the mini version of this one here. So thanks for watching. You stay classy.